You can find the Notion importer in the Docs tab on the upper right, or in the settings in the Importer Hub. For your import, you have to export your files from Notion first. For that, you change to your Notion tab and go to your settings. Go to General and go to Export Workspace Content. Click on HTML and include everything as well as subpages and click on Export. When the file is exported, go back to your Importer Hub and go to the Notion importer and drag your zip file in it. Decide the space where you want to save it. You can also create a new space if necessary and start the import. When the import is completed, you can go back to your awork dashboard, go to Docs into your space, and we'll find all the imported data from your Notion page.